Designating an email administrator. This demo assumes you've already logged into your control panel. Now let's learn how to designate an email administrator. Account owners can designate mailbox administrators who can modify the settings on all mailboxes and create new mailboxes without going through the control panel or having access to the account. An administrator must have a mailbox on the account. Click Mail Central. Select the mailbox you want to designate as the administrator. Then click Edit to the right of that mailbox. Expand the Owner Information section by clicking the plus icon. Select Yes for the Administrator field. Click Save. That's it! Now the owner of this mailbox can have access to the settings of all mailboxes in your account. The new administrator can then log in at www.accountsupport.com/mailadmin/mailcentral.bml. This is the administrator login screen. The administrator enters his mailbox address here. And mailbox password here. Then click Manage Mail. This is the mail management area where the administrator can manage all aspects of all mailboxes within this account. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to designate an email administrator for your account. Congratulations! You've just learned how to designate an email administrator. Creating an email forward. This demo assumes you've already logged into your control panel. Now let's learn how to create an email forward. A forward does not store the incoming mail like a mailbox would. Instead, it delivers the mail to designated mailboxes. Click Mail Central. Then click Create Forward. This is the Create New Forward page. Enter the name of the new forward. From this drop-down list, select the domain for the new email forward. If you do not yet have a domain, you'll have to go back to Domains and register one first. Enter the destination address here, or the mailbox where all incoming mail is sent. Then click Continue. That's it! The new email forward is created, and the mailbox which actually receives all incoming mail is shown in the Mailbox Delivery list. You can add any number of mailboxes to receive a copy of the same incoming email message. Just choose a mailbox from the drop-down list and click Add. To learn about all the other options on the Address Management page, please see the Mailbox Creation tutorial. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create new email forwards from your control panel. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create an email forward. Creating a mailbox. This demo assumes you've already logged into your control panel. Now let's learn how to create a mailbox. Click Mail Central. Then click Create Mailbox. This is the Create New Mailbox page. Select Standard to create a regular mailbox. Enter the name for your new mailbox here. From this drop-down list, select the domain for the new mailbox. If you do not yet have a domain, you'll have to go back to Domains and register one first. In this case, we're creating a mailbox called info@demotutorials.net. Enter a password for the new mailbox here. Then click Continue. That's it! The new mailbox has been created and is shown here in the Mailbox Delivery section. Let's now continue to set up the address management options. The Owner Information section allows you to designate this mailbox as the administrator. We can do so by selecting Yes here, then clicking Save. Please refer to the separate demo titled Designating an Email Administrator for more specific information. The Mailbox Delivery section allows you to set multiple delivery targets, multiple mailboxes, to receive a copy of the same incoming email messages. You should see the current mailbox listed as the delivery target. You can add any number of mailboxes to receive a copy of the same incoming email message. Just choose a mailbox from the drop-down list. Then click Add. You should now see the newly added mailbox, comments@demotutorials.com, appear in the Mailbox Delivery list. Each mailbox in this list automatically receives a copy of the incoming email message. To remove multiple deliveries from a mailbox, click Remove next to the address you want to remove. Now let's learn how to set up email forwards to external email addresses. A copy of each incoming email message can be sent to additional external destinations, or forwards. Forwards is a list that works exactly like Mailbox Delivery, except that in this case, the destinations are external, such as Hotmail accounts. Enter an external email address here. Then click Add. You should now see the newly added forward, mymailbox@hotmail.com, appear in the forwards list. Each external address in this list automatically receives a copy of the incoming email message. To remove this email forward, first select it, then click Remove Selected. As you can see, the forward has been removed. Now let's learn how to set up an email autoresponder. An autoresponder replies to every incoming email message with a standard message. To set up an autoresponder, enter the standard reply text here. When finished, click Save Autoresponder. That's all there is to it. Now when people send email to this mailbox, they will automatically receive this autoresponder message. To disable the autoresponder, click Remove Autoresponder. Now let's learn about the Return to Sender and Route to Trash options. The Return to Sender, Route to Trash section allows you to route all incoming emails for this mailbox either back to the sender or to trash. These options are useful if you have a mailbox from which you send but not receive, such as a shipment notification address. In this case, you would want to route all incoming messages back to the sender. Select Return to Sender, then click Submit. The warning on this page means that if you proceed, then all addresses in the Mailbox Delivery and Forward section of this mailbox will be removed. If you are sure you want to proceed, click Confirm. The setting has been changed to return to sender. For a mailbox that should not receive email, sending all incoming mail to trash is another option. To change your option, select Route to Trash and click Submit. Click Confirm if you understand and agree that you'll lose any existing destinations. The setting has been changed to Route to Trash. If you decide you no longer want these emails routed to trash or returned to sender, you cannot turn this option off from here. To do this, first expand the Mailbox Delivery section. Then select a mailbox address from this drop-down list and click Add. The Mailbox Delivery has been reset to receive incoming emails. Expand the Return to Sender Route to Trash section to make sure that those options are no longer selected. That's it! Both the Return to Sender and Route to Trash options have been deselected. The Import-Export section allows you to import a list of email addresses stored in a CSV or text file into the Forward section of this mailbox. This feature is useful if your mailbox is a group and you want all incoming messages to be automatically forwarded to the whole group. This tool allows you to import many addresses with just a few clicks. You can also export all the destinations listed in the Forward section into a CSV file. That's it! You now know how to create new mailboxes from your control panel and how to use and set up the many options available to you. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create a mailbox.